In this question, you are given the sum of three consecutive terms of a GP is 28 and the product is 512. So you are given three consecutive terms. You can let the first one be W, and then second term will be WR, third term will be WR squared. You can also let the first one be AR squared. It doesn't really matter. So let me use AR and AR squared for the three consecutive terms of the GP. So we are given the sum is 28, so it's A plus AR squared is 28. And you're given the product is 512, so that means it's A times AR squared is 512. Okay, so that's how you get 512 is AR squared multiplied together. These three terms multiplied together give you A cube R cube. So A cube R cube is 512. If you take cube root of 512 is 8. Take cube root of A cube R cube is AR. So we get AR is 8. So that means you get AR is 8. Okay, from AR is 8, you get A is 8 over R. So which means the second equation A plus AR squared is 28 can be replaced by A can be replaced by 8 over R. And AR can be replaced by 8. So AR replaced by 8. And AR squared you can write it as AR then times R, right? AR is 8. We found AR is 8 after you take cube root. So you express A as 8 over R to replace the first term A by 8 over R. Second term AR just replaced by 8. Third term AR squared, write it as AR times R. AR you sub as 8, so it's 8R. So with that is 8 over R plus 8R is 28. 28 and 8 can combine to give you 20. So that's how we get this equation, which you can actually combine 8 over R and 8R to 8 plus 8R squared over R. And then you can cross multiply to get a quadratic equation which you factorize to, and you can find R as half or 2. Okay, and with that, right, you read the question asks you to find these numbers. So you have to find the numbers. There are two answers. R is half and R is 2. The numbers is AR and AR squared, right? And A is 8 over R in the equation, right? That's how we have the equation. From the equation, you know that A is 8 over R. So which means to find the first term, you just take 8 divided by R. So you just take 8 divided by half. So you get 16. Here you take 8 divided by 2 because R is 2. And then the second term is 8 because you just multiply by half. R is half, so you just multiply by half to give you 8. Multiply by half to give you 4. Multiply by 2 to give you 8. Multiply by 2 to give you 16 since R is 2. So the answer will be 16, 8, 4 or 4, 8, 16.